like my mom was in the hospital and I met a guy at the hospital and he overheard me talking to somebody about what I did and what I was into. And he said, I heard you're trying to buy a house. I'm like, yeah, but I have the credit, but I don't have the money, right? Now I got the credit, but I don't have the money. And he was like, come to my office. So I Googled him. I looked him up, like, who this guy? And he was legit. He had this big old firm. So I went to his office and he said, I heard you've been helping people like really gain the knowledge of credit. Like you seem like you're passionate about it. I was like, honestly, this wasn't like something I thought I was going to be into, but I can't help but to tell people things that I know that can help them, because I know that this has helped me. Like it literally has changed my life. I had bought a new car at the time. Like I did it typically what everybody else does when they fix their credit. I felt like I was like like I was free. So he said, it takes a lot for somebody to be able to want to help other people. So I want to help you. And I was like, okay. And he slid a envelope over to me and he said, I hope this helped and let me know how your process goes. So I didn't open the envelope at that time. I waited until I got into the elevator and he wrote me a check. He had asked me how much money I needed to buy the house. I was like, I need like $5,000 more. Like I have half of the money out, but I need $5,000 more. So when I went into the elevator, I realized that he wrote me a check for $5,000 and said, I hope this starts your journey. And nobody has ever done anything like this for me. Like nobody, like I wouldn't say nobody believed in me because I would be a lie, but nobody had the power to help me to the next step. And this random guy, like I know him now, we're really good friends and he checks on me now, but he didn't know me from a can of paint. And he doesn't even know how that like changed my entire life. Like just believing in me. And I realized that him believing in me gave me more insight and power to believe in my dang on self. I was doing